Bonjour, bonjour! I'm Keshi and this is Let Us Learn French. Today we're doing an unboxing, a RedBubble unboxing to be more specific. It's actually from my own shop or store on RedBubble, but it's my first time ordering from them, so I'm gonna give you an honest review of RedBubble in general. And at the same time showing you some of the products in my shop or store. I'm just gonna say that it's related to French. So it's either written in French or it has something to do with like learning French. So a few weeks ago, I ordered some stuff from RedBubble to give to family and friends for Christmas and the New Year. There were just two problems. First, my RedBubble order arrived late. So it was supposed to arrive before Christmas, actually I think on the 17th or 19th of December, but I got it on, I think, January 3rd. And I don't know if it's common for RedBubble to be late on their orders. I thought maybe it got lost somewhere or it got stuck somewhere. Because of COVID and Christmas and everything going on, I understand that there has been probably some more trouble than there would be in any other day. But if you've ordered from RedBubble before, let me know if it came on time or early or maybe late. Because I really wanted to know if it's common for them to arrive late. I hope not. But honestly, it wasn't really a problem for me this time because the second problem was that because it's COVID, there's a lockdown right now in Edmonton, Canada, so I couldn't meet my family and friends anyway. That was kind of background information, but now let's get into the unboxing. There are 5 items. Actually, they are all mugs. I forgot to mention that. There are 5 mugs. I think that mugs are a really good gift idea because I don't really like giving clothes. So yeah, I got 5 of them and it's 5 different designs. So let's get into it. The first one. And by the way, I've watched a couple of RedBubble unboxing videos before because why not? And they all came in those cute little RedBubble packaging or boxes, but I only got this. Okay, so I was trying to find a setup that works because when I was pointing it selfie mode, you couldn't read what was written on it. And when I was pointing it the other way, I couldn't see if you could see what's written on it or if you could see it if it was like out of the frame. It's a crazy setup right now. I have a mirror in front of me and everything, and yeah, because I film on my phone, not a camera. So it's, yeah, so never mind. So the first one says, I don't gossip, I spill du thé. So I spill tea. I don't gossip, I spill du thé. Sorry for the lighting. And there's a little cup of tea here. It's so cute. And they all actually come in only like one color, I'm pretty sure. So I already chose this color up front. For this one, it's this, what color is this? Green. I don't know. It's a nice color though. And this one is pink. It's really cute. And it says buffet or buffet. It's French for get it yourself. So that's a little bit of sarcastic humor. And a little wink here. And by the way, like the end of it is still white for all of them. Just thought I'd mention that, but it's very cute. God. Okay, fun fact about me, I'm very clumsy. And while reaching across to get the second box, I knocked over everything. Like I knocked over the table, and then the mirror and the tripod with my phone on it were falling, and for some reason I thought that the mirror was more important than my phone, so I caught that one and my phone and my tripod fell. And the mugs could have fallen as well and break. So look at me, first unboxing ever, and I'm breaking everything in my house. Let's look at the second box, shall we? Okay. I'm so bad at this. How do people do this? Okay, so third mug. It's also a pink one. Is it the same shade of pink? I don't remember. It's pretty similar. I would say this one's a little bit more lighter. I don't know. So this one, it says relationship status, and then it's written in French, but I'll translate it for you. Célibataire, single, en couple, in a relationship, l'amour de ma vie a quatre pattes. The love of my life has four paws. And a little paw here. So cute. And obviously this one is checked. That's very cute. Fourth one. Oh my god. This one, actually, I feel like a lot of people like this design when they're learning French, because it says, I speak un petit peu de French. So I speak a little bit of French. And it has like the France flag and everything, like bleu, blanc, rouge, blue, white, and red. That's the flag color. And then, yeah, it's cute. I speak un petit peu de French. I really like this. And by the way, let me know what you think about this design. Like, I have one more, but let me know what you think of them. And for example, if you're like, oh, I like this one, but I don't really like pink, I would rather get that in like a blue or something. Let me know exactly what you would like. Gosh. Let me know and I'll try to put that on the RedBubble store as well. Just let me know if you have like some preference and I'll see what I can do. So the last one for today. Ta-ta-da! It's actually like the same kind of colors that I have. Not really, this one is a little bit different. This one's like a mint color, which is different from, yeah, that's very different, but like it's different shades of like green, I guess. I don't know if I have something blue. This one is entirely in French and I'll read it, translate it, and then I'll show it to you. Ils disent que j'ai besoin d'une thérapie. J'ai arrêté d'écouter à thé. So it's basically saying, they say, ils disent, que j'ai besoin d'une thérapie. They say that I need therapy. J'ai arrêté d'écouter à thé. I stopped listening at tea. Because in French, thérapie starts with thé, which means tea. And I think it's kind of clever, kind of a sarcastic humor and kind of cute. That's, I guess, my kind of humor. But if you have some other things and other designs that you'd like to see, let me know and I'll see what I can do for you again. And also, those are just a couple of the designs that I have. On my RedBubble store, there's some other designs like Let Us Learn French, or as I said, Je suis le boss, or some others. So the link is in the description below. Definitely have a look at it. And those are just mugs. There's a lot of different things that you could buy. There's shirts, hoodies, aprons, backpacks, pillows or like cushions, duffel bags, I think, blankets, shower curtains, just lots of stuff. And I will continue to add new designs, so keep an eye out for that. As a review, it was supposed to be a review, not just an unboxing, but I would say I really like them. I would give it like a 7 out of 10, 7.5, 8. I don't know. The only thing, oh, actually, I just realized that I forget to mention that for the ones that are lighter, I noticed that sometimes the ink kind of spreads a little bit, so I'm definitely not holding that right. So here the ink is good, but here it seems to like spread a little bit, but I don't know if it's just on those that are light. This is perfect. This is also great. I don't see any spilling. This is also light color, but this looks good. So I don't know if it's just the pink colors. I'm not sure. Again, if you bought something from RedBubble, did you ever experience that? So I would love to know that as well. But most of them were good. So I would say like a 7. I would say an 8 out of 10. I am not very good at giving ratings, but I'm really pleased with how it looks in general. I really like the size of the cup. It could be a little bit bigger, I feel like, but it's very cute. It's definitely very cute. Hi, this is Keshi from the future, and I have received the final merch that I was waiting for. This one is for me. I really like this design, and it says Je suis le boss. I am the boss. There's actually two different colors for this one because I really liked it. This one with the pink, or there's a dark blue one with a pale blue writing. And yeah, this also came a little bit late, but I feel like it's because of COVID and the New Year's and everything, so they had a lot of different orders. I'm not sure if it always comes a little bit late, but that's okay. I wasn't in a hurry with it. I'm glad it's here. And I also noticed that not everything has the spreading on it. This one doesn't. So I think that might just be something that happened. It might just have been for those particular items. It's probably not for the whole collection, which is good. But yeah, I would actually prefer if none of them had the ink spread like this. But well, it wasn't that bad, honestly. And I still really loved all of them. Actually, I really love the designs. I really love the mug in general, the size. There's actually a bigger one, like a tall mug. This one is like the regular mug or something. There's a tall mug. Yeah, back to other cachets. So I guess that was my unboxing slash review. And this video is not sponsored by RedBubble. Like, I did buy it using my own money. I think if you buy 2 or 3 mugs, you get 15% discount. And then if you buy 4 or more, you get 20% discount or something like that. I think the mugs are really affordable, but I don't really know about the other ones. I actually didn't want to buy all mugs. I wanted to buy some of the like traveling mugs and some like shirts and stuff, but the shipping became really expensive when I added different items. It became like crazy expensive. So I don't know how they calculate the shipping and handling, but when I just bought mugs, the shipping went down like by a lot. So yeah, if you're taking a couple of items from RedBubble and you see that the shipping becomes like a huge amount, try to remove different items from your cart and note down the shipping cost for like a mug, and then separately for like a traveling mug, and then separately for like a, I don't know, like a shirt, and then maybe see if you can change an item to a different one with the same design but a different item, and maybe get a better shipping. I think they're just made in different places. That's why they have to, when they have to get them all together, it costs a lot. But if you don't mind paying some more for shipping, then it's all good. But yeah, pretty satisfied with them overall. So that was a different video than we're used to. Generally, it's about teaching French. If you're really passionate about learning French, maybe you'd want to have some things in French. But yeah, let me know what you thought of the products, of RedBubble in general, and of the review and this video, this unboxing in general. If you'd like to see more of those, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from us. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can also see what RedBubble has to offer. Again, the link is in the description below for my store. I have trouble navigating RedBubble to find my own designs when I'm not logged into my account. So I've just left the link specifically in the comments below so it's easier for you if you want any of those designs, or there's some more, as I said earlier. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next Sunday. Take care. 2 boxes out of the way. Again, I should not be doing that. So yeah, it's really cute, and I wanted you to have a look at this. Look at it one last time. So cute. Isn't it cute? It is cute.